गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माँ भगवती क्लासेस। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में एमएड फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का जो एजुकेशनल स्टडीज़ जो सब्जेक्ट है 2022 का ये पेपर है जिसे हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। और मैंने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करी है कि हर एक क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है वो सही है। लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में उसे अलग से मेंशन कर सकते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये होगा। ठीक है, एंड ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Competency based education focuses on all of the above, means developing comprehensive knowledge, skills, developing students' attitudes. Second question is the Montessori school insists on. So the correct answer is the principle of sense training. Third question is the Panchkosh theory of education was elaborated by D. Aurobindo. Next, fourth question is if students are not able to follow you means teacher should give them prompt, make the matter easy, illustrate with example. So the answer is all of the above. Fifth question is one can be a good teacher if he has genuine interest in teaching. So the correct answer is A. Next, sixth question is dropouts are more likely to be all of the above, means ए बी सी, ये सभी आंसर क्या है, सभी ऑप्शन करेक्ट हैं, इसलिए हमने डी को इसमें टिक किया है. नेक्स्ट, सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन इज नंबर्स ऑब्लिक पिक्चर्स ऑफ वर्ड्स विदाउट कॉन्टेक्स्ट आर नोन एज ए डेटा. एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज a collection of words, numbers or pictures which have meaning is known as what? B, information. Ninth question, data becomes information once it's put into a framework or structure that provides B, more information. 10th, what is the main difference between data and information? So the correct answer is data are part and information is whole. So the B option is the correct answer. Next, 11th question, which of the following are the sources of knowledge? So the correct answer is all of the above. Intuition, senses, reason are the source of knowledge. And 12th question is which of the following schools are not accepted Anuman as valid source of knowledge? C, Charvak. And 13th question, standard of value differ because of conflicting values in society. So the correct answer is B. 14th question number 14th, according to Kant, knowledge of things in itself is called what? C, noumena. ठीक है, so the correct answer is C. Question number 15, according to Descartes, deduction and dash are the means to attain true knowledge. C, intuition. Question number 16, dash recognize sense perception as the source and standard of knowledge. B, empiricist. 17th question, assessment for learning. A, foster motivation. So the correct answer is foster motivation. Question number 18, education psychology is important for teacher, for student, for guardian. So the correct answer is all of the above. 19th question, who said psychology is the basic science of education? B, Skinner. Question number 20, educational psychology is helpful in D, all-round development. Question number 21, the type of evaluation which gives feedback to student as well as teacher is formative evaluation. So the correct answer is B. Question number 22, formative evaluation is conducted during teaching. D is the correct option. Next, question number 23, which of the following statement is correct? A is the correct option. Formative assessment can be summative also. Next, 24, the concept of curriculum develops does not involve A, international goals. Question number 25, curriculum is D, all activities of schools. Question number 26, syllabus is part of curriculum. Question number 27, place of teacher is central in C, education. Question number 28, dash neglects interest and neglects interest, inclination and capacity of the child. So the answer is instruction. Question number 29, what's the most important in learning? So the answer is B, motivation. Question number 30, aim of education according to broader meaning. A, all round development. Question number 31, learning continues D. Lifelong. Question number 32 is not a characteristic of education. So education is limited to school. ये इसका आंसर नहीं है. So the C is the correct option. Question number 33, curriculum is used in education, all of the above, to make learning interesting, to make learning easy, for assisting the teacher. Question number 34, which of these is not a medium of mass communication for education? A. Family. Question number 35, attainment of skill is a C. Psychomotor. And question number 36, when we move from general to specific reasoning, we call it deductive. ओके, सो जनरल से स्पेसिफिक जा रहे तो डिडक्टिव एंड स्पेसिफिक से जर्नल जाएंगे तो इंडक्टिव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, नॉलेज बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस इज कॉल्ड पोस्टीरियरी. बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, गोल ऑफ टीचिंग इज टू ए इनरिच द माइंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, विच ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट्स इज फॉल्स. सो नॉलेज इज इंफॉर्मेशन. डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, इसमें फॉल्स बताना है. Question number 40, believing in something because it's a customary or even superstition is authority. Question number 41, goal of training is to master some specific skills. So the answer is B. Correct answer. B is the correct option. Okay. So question number 42, assumed truth is called belief. Next, question number 43, dash is the raw material, dash is a product of raw material. So the answer is C, data, information. Question number 44, proficiencies developed due to practice are called C, skills. Question number 45, knowledge has helped humans and prompted the progress of civilization. So the answer is A, true. Question number 46, integration of new knowledge with old is known as. Option D is the correct option, none of the above. Next, question number 47, dash provide answer to who, what and when question, dash deals with the application and dash is evaluative in nature. Information, knowledge and wisdom. C is the correct option. Question number 48, knowledge retention is least in B, lecture method. Question number 49, subject matter of sociology is A, social relationships. Question number 50, education and sociology are C, interdependent discipline. Question number 51, education preserves the social and cultural heritage which is owned by D, sociology. Question number 52, application of principles of sociology to education is called D, educational sociology. Question number 53, in philosophy, ontology deals with reality. So the answer is C. And question number 54, naturalism basically rests on the ideas of C, Rousseau. And question number 55, in all walks of life, reforms are necessary to focus on progressivism. Okay, so the A is the correct option. Question number 56, which philosophy of education is focused on useful culture and skills? So the answer is essentialism. C is the correct answer. And question number 57, which is the most important element of non-formal education? So the answer is student. And the next is question number 58. According to John Dewey, education is preparation of life. Question number 59. Sociological aims of education includes all of the above. Skills and dutifulness, cultural growth. Next, question number 60. Civic aims of education include D, civic sense. Question number 61, in the classroom, emphasis should be on the needs of an individual child. Question number 62, which is the basic sources of educational objective? A, educational psychology. Question number 63, what should be the objective of any school subject? So the answer is B, the basis for content and class activities. Question number 64, in education, the application of philosophy may be for D, selection of objectives. Next question number 65, educational administration is the process of B, manage activities of educational institution. Question number 66, in educational management function of planning is A. Preparing for future for desired goals. Question number 67. Modern concept in educational administration is B. Democratic administration. Question number 68. The use of technology to enhance learning and is called dash in education. B is the correct option, ICT. Question number 69. Which of these is Doordarshan's educational television channel? So the answer is Gyan Darshan. 70. Question number 70. Who is known as the father of modern media education? So the answer is Edgar Dale. Question number 71. Methods used to transfer information to far off planes instantly is called D. Telecommunication. Question number 72. Computer assisted instruction is based on B. Operant conditioning. Okay, next 73 question number. And work experience is designed to bridge the gap between all of the above: informal and formal education, theory, practice, and hand and brain. Question number 74. The question number 74. In presence of the recommendation of the National Seminar on Population Education 1969, a population education syllabus was developed by NCTE, National Council for Teacher Education. And question number 75. Which is the current issue in education? Adaptive education is the correct option. And question number 76. Who was the chairman of NEP 2020 drafting committee? So the answer is Dr. K. Kasturi Ranjan. And question number 77. When did the Union Cabinet approve the new education policy 2020? So the answer is 29 July 2020. B is the correct option. Question number 78. Education is dash for achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting national development. So the answer is C, fundamental. And question number 79. When did India adopt Goal 4, SDG 4 of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development? B, 2015. Next, question number 80. NEP 2020 aimed to achieve equitable access to the highest quality education for all learners regardless of social or economic background. This target will be achieved up to year 2040. Next, question number 81. Which of the following is true about the learning by play? It's a psychological. क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. ए इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, मतलब 81 का जो आंसर है वो ए है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. वाई इज़ अडल्ट एजुकेशन नेसेसरी? सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इसका आंसर है ए. एजुकेटेड अडल्ट मेक चिल्ड्रन एजुकेटेड. टू कट कॉस्ट. इट्स ईजी फॉर अडल्ट टू गेट जॉब्स. तो इसका सभी आंसर आ जाएगा, तो डी ऑप्शन इसका करेक्ट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. व्हाट इज़ द Question number 83. What's the community partnership in education? A. When parents, families, community members collaborate with educator. Question number 84. Which can be a barrier for school community partnership? So the answer is all of the above. Question number 85. How can educators increase community partnership? So C. Involve both students and family members. Question number 86. Teaching learning process is journey from all of the above. And question number 87. Learning is natural activity of. So the correct answer is D. Living organism. Question number 88. In teaching learning process, which of the following is dependent variable? A. Students. Question number 89. Effectiveness of teaching has to be judged in terms of D. Learning outcomes of students. Question number 90. Who defined anthropology as the science of the nature of man? C. Walls. And question number 91. To ensure that the lesson will go on smoothly, teacher A listed down the steps she will undertake together with those of her students. This practice relates to B. Teaching methods. B is the correct option. Question number 92. The teacher is scheduled to perform an experiment on that day. However, the chemicals are insufficient. What method may be then used? D. Demonstration. Question number 93. Primary importance of ICT is A. It allows individual to engage, network and learn in new, better ways. Question number 94. Which of the following is not virtual lab? So the correct answer is B. Swam Siddh. Question number 95. Use of ICT can help ensure that D. All of the above. Ensure that all children have internet facilities. No child is left behind. All children have equal needs. So the correct answer is D. Question number 96. Example of non-digital technology is C. Models. Question number 97. What is the implication of using a method that focuses on the why rather than how? So the answer is D. All of the above. Question number 98. Pictures, models and the like arouse students' interest in the day's topic. In what part of the lesson should these be presented? Question number A. Initiating activity. Question number 99. Which part of the lesson does the learner give a synthesis of the things learned? C. Evaluation. Question number 100. 100 है ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. The strategy which makes us of the old concept of each one teach one is similar to A. Peer learning. सो ये था एजुकेशनल स्टडीज़ का जो पेपर 2022 का एमएड फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का. बाकी के जो पेपर है वो हम अगली वीडियो में करेंगे. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो देन हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.